All right. Today, they say Hildabaci don win Guinness Book of World Record. Yes, it's my turn to cook, and I'll be cooking. Let me show you. I'll be cooking indomie. This indomie for the next 5 days. So, if you want to come out, you can come up. Let's start. First, I'm with my pepper. I'm trying to put things together. Yes. And I want to blend the pepper with this. I want to blend the pepper. I wash it. After washing it, take it to my blending machine. Then I washed another one. That one was not. I'm a good cooker. We will spend. How many hours are we trying to spend? Okay, let me just manage 200 hours. It will be enough. Just keep washing me. Keep washing me. They say what a woman can do, a man can do it better. I'm a very good cook. I spent that many years in cooking. So today, I'm teaching you how to cook indomie for 200 hours. And this is me. This is the knife I'm using. So I want to I'm trying to blend it more so it will be cheke. You know what they call cheke? Very good cook. So assuming it has been blended, turn the rest inside the pot. The recipe, I turn it inside the pot, and due to the fact that so I rested it. I rested it. So after resting it, I put on the gas. We are cooking for 200 hours. Then I make the indomie cheke because that is the way my people like it. Cheke, scatter. So just keep watching me and subscribe to this channel first, so you will learn how to cook in case. Now, after doing it, I like cleaning wherever I'm cooking. I like keeping it clean. I keep here clean. Then they are not dirty. I keep them aside. I pick up my spoon. Fake. But for those bad boys in Nigeria, they are calling it fork because they have done a lot of bad things. So this is fake. You turn it, stir it to some seconds. So scatter the other one into jagga again. So I want to now I bust it into jagga and I turn it into the pot. I turn the other one into the pot. I bring out the Maggi, don't allow the Maggi to follow it. Then leave it. This is almost 400 hours now, 4 minutes. 400 hours. I put the spices. I added the spices. I normally clean my hands. I added the spices. Because there's no money for egg. So you leave it like that. Not every day. I've been eating egg since last two 2 weeks. So I don't want to eat egg anymore. I just added some pepperish to it. Some pepper, I added it to it. Yes, I added some pepper because I love eating pepper. This is almost it's going to 1 hour now. I'll be cooking indomie. Me and Hildabaci will be we are in one crew. I was the one that taught her how to cook for some hours. So same thing with me. I'm doing that. As you can see, I like cleaning wherever I'm cooking. I don't like dirty. I covered the pot. After covering it, I try to pack my the dirty here. Sorry for that inconvenience, I'm back. So now, I try to wash plate because plate is among cooking. Yes. Try to wash the plate to keep it clean. Because I don't like dirty plates. Although I'm smart, but I don't like dirty plates. Now the indomie is still done. When it's done, I'll bring it down. Teaching those that don't know how to cook indomie through Hildabaci process. Yes. So as I was washing the plate, there was some stain, some onion stain. I flushed it out again. And my grater, I kept it to one side. Then with my fork, pot no open. I start stirring. For some these 700 hours. I've tried. Now, please, if you are watching this video, please try to tell a Guinness Book of World Record that a guy has broken the record for cooking for 200 hours. I cooked indomie for 200 hours. So let's test the indomie. Good cook. I'm testing the indomie. It's still a little bit strong. Then I added some water to it. Okay, let me show you what I'm cooking. This is the indomie. This is how it looks like. You see? Cooking indomie, stirring it. Yes, I'm cooking indomie. I'm stirring the indomie. I'm cooking indomie. Okay. Yes. So I tried to break the record, which I'm still breaking now. So this is how the indomie looks like. And thank you. My name now. I get many names. They call me the smart guy. They call me Lord Saint. They call me CEO. And they call me troublemaker. Anywhere I go, I make trouble. That is why I just make food. I'm not the new Hildabaci. See you next time. Or if you do not subscribe to this channel, Holy Spirit will visit you. Okay.